Hi girls, this is the younger version, so the Monday group version of Singing in the Rain tap routine for the show 2016. So you'll need your umbrella. It's to be in your right hand, feet parallel. You walk on heel toe, and you face the front and stand in your position. Good luck, shoulders rolled back, tummy sucked in. Let's go. Heel toe, umbrella up, elbows out. Heel toe, stand. Heel toe, stand. Umbrella down, toe tap. Heel, walk round in a circle. Toe dip, umbrella comes up. Shuffle. Tap, spring in the circle. Umbrella goes up and down. Chug.
Come on with the rain, have a smile on my face. I walk
Then,
down the lane.
sorry, heels together.
The refrain.
Then you walk off to the side, and you just keep swinging side to side. Toe tap. Secondary girls are coming on. They're going to do this solo. And then when they finish, you'll come back on again. This is where you come back on. Heel toe. Heel toe. Umbrella. 2, 3, 4. Heel. Walk in a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Toe dig. Shuffle. Heel dig. Chug. Smile.
I'm dancing
And singing me. Then heel toe, and off. And that's it. Easy. Try and practice at home as much as you can. It'll be easier in the classes. See you Monday.